How are you going to be handing out candy this year?
Are you really just gonna hand out candy like a normal person, get all your nasty germs all over all their candy? Or are you just gonna leave out a bowl of candy and let some fat kid take all the candy for himself?
If you answered no to both of those, then I got the solution for you. This is the candy cannon.
This is the candy board. An easy way to get all the candy down to the end of your driveway.
This last method's probably one of my favorites. Just don't hand out candy and just eat it for yourself. What's great now is I actually have 2 video editors for my school that are going to start editing my videos. So, more content. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. And if you didn't, hit the thumbs down. Bye.